The first step is to open Canva, and scroll down to select the design to which you want to add an effect. Click the design to which you want to apply an effect. Click to select the image. With the image selected, click Edit Image. Scroll to see the different types of edits you can apply, which include adjusting the image, and applying filters, tools, smart mockups, shadows, frames, duotone, photogenic, bad TV, color mix, screen, vision simulator, and, you may also like, options. In this example, let's explore the duotone option. Click See All next to duotone. Choose one of the options. In this example, click Mustard. To adjust the effect, click See Controls on the option you chose. Here, you can adjust the effect. In this example, click Select a color. Scroll, and click a color. You can discard your changes by choosing Cancel or the back arrow next to the name of this effect. When you are finished altering the effect, click Apply. If you decide at this point that you don't like the alterations you made to the effect, click Undo. That's it, you're done.